Welcome to our video on achieving nourished, lubricated joints for optimum comfort and youthful mobility. If you want to live a happy, active life, you're in the right place. Joint discomfort often comes from a loss of hyaluronan in the synovial fluid. This is crucial for joint health because it hydrates and nourishes your cartilage. That's where joint genesis comes in. It replenishes your synovial fluid with hyaluronan, helping you feel more comfortable and flexible. You might wonder why other joint supplements haven't worked for you. Many lack the advanced form of hyaluronan called Mobilee. This unique blend, combined with French maritime pine bark, is essential for maintaining healthy joints as we age. Thinking about how many bottles to order? Research shows that joint genesis becomes more effective over time. We recommend getting a 3 or 6 month supply for the best results, but you can also start with a 1-month option. Worried about food allergies? No need. Joint genesis is free from gluten, dairy, nuts, soy, egg, and crustaceans. It contains no GMOs or BPAs and is made in a CGMP FDA-inspected facility. Plus, it's third-party tested for safety. Joint Genesis by Biodynamics is the ultimate joint supplement for everyone. It enhances joint health, comfort, and flexibility. With ingredients like Mobilee, ginger root, and Boswellia serrata, it supports your joints for peak performance.
Don't forget to check out the link in the description for all the resources mentioned in this video.